So once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, bikers and bloggers. Welcome to this very special day, which we hope would remain as a landmark day for Bajaj Dominar. Today we have with us our General Manager Sales, Mr. Suresh, and Mr. Rishabh Chatterjee, famous YouTube blogger. Area Managers, Mr. Pawan and Mr. Praveen. I request you all to kindly come over for the lamp lighting. Now there is some Josh. How's it?
To just give a feedback on the new Dominar, which he had taken a test drive just 2 hours ago. Please.
Alright, so first of all I'll start with the way I start my videos. Hello, hi, namaskara. I am Rishabh Chatterjee and thanks to Kalyani Bajaj and thanks to Mr. Suresh for giving me an opportunity and giving me an invitation to this launch event. So before I share my experience about the Dominar 400 2019, let me tell you a bit about myself. So lot of you might not know me, some of you might know me. So my name is Rishabh Chatterjee. I make videos on YouTube which is related to automobiles and travel. I cover everything from bikes, cars to buses, trains, planes. So anything that comes under automobiles, I cover. So before I start about the Dominar 2019, I'd like to share a few words about my Dominar story. So the Dominar initially was launched on 2016, December if you remember, and everyone has a different kind of Dominar story. Mr. Suresh might have a different one. So my Dominar story was I was preparing for my final exams and I saw a few articles which said that Bajaj is launching a revolutionary bike which is gonna break all records and it's gonna be at a price point that is never expected in the Indian market. So like, what kind of bike will that be? Because before this actually I had never seen a launch that is gonna be like this much hyped up. So my exams were going on and I was kind of bored, so I switched on the YouTube and saw the live video. And the moment when the pricing came out, that was like, wow, how can a 400cc bike priced at such aggressively? And I remember the next day I was like preparing for the exam, but every time I was taking a break, I was opening on YouTube and searching some videos, who and all is taking test drive and watching everyone's videos. And I remember once my exams got over, I came here, took the test ride of the bike and I was like, wow. This bike at this price point is really amazing, and if you check out my video too, you can actually feel the kind of like surprise I had. So coming to the 2019 Dominar, so I came almost 3 hours back at around 4 o'clock and I took a test ride of the Dominar 2019. Now what I think is that Dominar on its own was obviously a very good product at the price that it was. But Bajaj now with the 2019 has almost perfected everything that was missing in the 2019. I felt the old bike was very good value for money, but with this one, it has become even more value for money. Like some of the things like gear indicator. it's not a very big thing. Like experienced riders might tell you that they don't need a gear indicator, and obviously whenever I ride a bike too, at the start you feel like you need to see the gear indicator, but later on you get used to the bike. But these are small things that make the riding experience more better and comfortable. So Dominar 400 has that. Then even now the USD forks. So a lot of the people are like, we want a USD fork. Telescopic fork is good, but we need USD. So Bajaj are like, okay, we'll give you USD forks now. So basically whatever you wanted, Bajaj has actually like tried to make everything perfect and has increased the price slightly so that it is still the best value for money bike that you can get. Now coming to how was my experience, the acceleration is like really great. Like the tagline of 2019 is don't hold back. So according to me, don't hold back has lot of meaning. One is don't hold back from buying this bike. Like some of you might think this might be a little bit over my budget, this might be a bit more, but the tagline is the experience that you're gonna get with this bike is gonna be completely different, so don't hold back. Next, suppose you might be thinking that you want to do touring, but you might be thinking I don't have that much higher CC bike, or it might not be that good. This is the bike you can comfortably do touring all day and you won't have any trouble. That is again, don't hold back. Then there might be a question that can I ride this bike in city, because it's not a very light bike, neither is it a very heavy bike. It's kind of medium. So a lot of questions that I get is it comfortable to ride in city? Because I'm not a very, I'm kind of a thin guy. So many people ask me, can you handle a Dominar 400? And my answer is, when you're standing still, you can feel the weight. But the moment you start riding, it's balanced so well that it's like any other bike that you ride. So perfect city highway combination, the Dominar 2019. So I was really impressed by the bike, and I would also recommend you that anyone who has the budget and is looking for a bike that can do both city and highway riding, this is gonna be a perfect combination of both. And yeah, that was my experience of the Dominar 2019. And if any of you want to take the test rides, I know Kalyani Bajaj has already arranged it. So you can experience the Dominar 2019, which says don't hold back. Thank you all.
Thanks a lot. Now I would request, because since everybody are eagerly waiting, I'm just skipping one thing, which is a product demo from our ASM. So first we'll unveil the product, then we'll do the, please, I would request some of our customers to please come and unveil the product. Yes. You can, come on, please. So that's all new Dominar 400 2019 version.
Who wants to hear the rope?
You can start.
I do. Start the bike.
Yes.